So, I got some more 3D printed. This one's a Vecna skull. I don't know how to put it back together, but it's cool. You can fiddle with it. You can make him look like an alien. That's all I have for him. We've got Ozzy Osbourne here. Just a figure, doesn't do anything. I've got a Highland cow. Doesn't do a thing. Gecko. It's just a cool animal to have, look at. Just cute. I have this apple which does not work, but it does this. It like falls out a bit. I have a little elephant with some patterns. I also have this little guy. He's a deer, axolotl, dragon type of thing. I've also got this little phoenix. It's this. I don't know if you've seen these. They're just very cool to play with. We have one of these, one of the inside out things you can do lots with. Cool fidget. We also have a little capybara. And last but not least, we also have a skull, which you can do this with. You can make loads of different like shapes. And if you practice enough, you can make it like a little water flow. I'm not good at that. But yeah, that's all we have for now, and bye.